anymore. Ugh.
Sammy, what's going on here? It's so gloomy.
It's all bad weather, Sue. When the weather is bad, the mood is bad, too. Ew!
Oh, I see. Huh, I've got an idea. I bet I can make you feel great even when the weather is not so good. Deal?
Deal, I'm in.
But first, let's get it all cleaned up.
Now you are ruining the mood.
Yep, that's the plan. Let's get started. Weird. It seems like there is somebody in there. Sammy, you've scared me. Better go get some gummy bears, please.
Did you mean these gummy bears?
Yep, that's what I was talking about. But apparently we need more. Sammy, can we get more?
Sam will save the day. He really did that? Wow, that's a crazy story. Catch them, Sue, before they run away.
Wow. How did you lure them in?
I pretended to be one of them.
Ooh, smart. Now, they go here. This is still not enough.
Whoa, it's like I'm in my dream.
Sorry to burst your bubble of happiness, but we need more gummies.
Duh, I knew it was too good to be true.
Oh, come on! Better look at this! Isn't it just perfect? But I feel something's missing.
Sue! Watch out! It's gonna rain! Told ya! Get cover!
This rain is just what we need. Now we've got all the ingredients for our giant gummy bear.
Yeah, now I'll go and bake it.
Wait. No baking is needed. All we need is a hairdryer.
Okay, Sue, I'm ready to taste it.
Patience, my friend. We have to wait until it's solid.
Is it solid yet? And now? How about now?
Yes, I think now it's ready.
Really? It is solid!
Let's get it out of the mold and put it on a plate. We need to be very careful not to ruin our gummy bear. Ah, it's intact, and it looks just perfect. Who's ready to taste it?
I am ready, Sue! Come on, do it faster!
Here you go. Bon appetit!
Yay! Can I also have a bite, please?
Sure! Hey, you remind of someone?
No, it can't be! I'd like a piece, too.
Now, I've definitely seen you before.
Yum!
Really, Sammy? Everything just for you?
Okay, I'll keep this one for Roger!
How about adding even more rainbow magic to this day with rainbow waffles?
Sue, but where's the main color? Pink?
Sorry, Sammy. Not today. Now, could you bring me a bowl?
Hey, Sue, look what I've got!
Oh? Our cooking process can't wait.
Here's an egg.
Got it. And it's safe and sound. I mean, we still need to break it, but it's better to do it this way. Time to add some butter and milk.
Can I?
Sure.
Oh, I'm really good at this.
Definitely. And the last ingredient, flour. Now, we need to divide our batter into 5 portions and color them all.
Sue, my slimy muscles aren't for carrying heavy stuff. You're welcome.
Thank you, Sammy. And your muscles are quite all right.
Really, Sue? Ew!
Oops, sorry.
Sue, you gotta be more careful. Yummy.
No, Sam. You shouldn't eat the batter. Here, let me help.
Ugh, I'm all sticky now.
Let's just keep going. Now, all we can do is wait until our waffle is ready.
Don't know about the waffle, but I am ready.
Okay, Sammy. I guess both you and the waffle are ready now. Here it goes.
So, is it just for one? You're not hungry, right?
Huh? How about we share?
Oh, great idea! And it looks just like a real rainbow now!
Wait, I know how to make it even better. These are just some fluffy clouds.
Tasty clouds!
Oh, come on!
I knew that these fluffy clouds were gonna be sweet!
Oh, you did, didn't you? Sammy, you were right.
Hey, that was my cloud!
No need to get upset. I've got a surprise for you.
I like surprises!
Huh? What's going on?
Susan, your waffle turned me into Rainbow!
I'm not eating this.
My prank worked like a charm!
It's time for some ice-cold magic. We won't need this.
Sue, are you trying to make fun of me?
That's for that prank of yours. Now, we need to cut these bad boys. Kia! We will also need a blender. A little bit of milk and blend.
I'll help the blender. Here you go. I'm a blending pro.
Thanks. Let's prepare for the next stage, coloring.
Did someone say coloring? Duh!
Oh, thanks, Sammy. That's just what we need.
Let's better make it orange.
Huh? But I don't have the orange coloring?
No problem. I know a trick. Mix red and yellow, and you'll get orange.
Wow, cool life hack.
I know, right? Ah! Not the shot!
Sammy, you didn't get it. It's for our future ice cream. Look! Ta-da! 6 rainbow ice creams.
Whoa, can I try? One? Pretty please?
No, no, no! We need to freeze them first. Be patient.
They have to be ready now.
Oh, Sammy, you're frozen.
You see, Sue, I had to control the process.
Oh, poor thing. Okay, let's try. Huh? I can't get it out.
Wait a second. I know another trick. Here, put it in hot water for a second.
What? You sure? Okay. Wow! It worked! Okay, here's your reward.
My precious.
And this one's for me.
I won't say no to another one.
Wow, that was fast.
And very tasty.
Ah, look how cozy it is here.
Yep, and my mood couldn't be better. Thanks so much, Susie.
Huh? What's that noise?
Ugh, what a terrible day.
Wait. I bet I can change that.
Nah.
Come with me.
You can't cheer me up.
Oh, really? How about that?
You were right. This day is great.
Guys, if you liked the way we turned this day into a good one, like this video.
Subscribe to this channel to learn new things with me. And if you're moody, this is for you. Da-da-na. Oh, I'm going to taste them all now. Oh, no!
Sam, what's going on here?
I wanted to taste all the flavors at once, but I was too enthusiastic and knocked the boxes over.
Oh, I see.
Oh.
Huh, this candy has Homer's portrait on it. This means it has the flavor of what Homer likes. And Homer likes dough.
Shh! Don't tell me! I want to guess this Tic Tac flavor. Homer likes donuts! This is horrible! Now I'll know all the candy flavors in advance. I wish these candies were in a random order.
It's all right, Sam. We'll put all the candies in a bowl, then they won't spill, and we'll be all mixed together.
No, I can see character portraits on them, so the flavor won't be a surprise. I'm not going to eat them. That isn't interesting. No surprise.
Okay, Sam. Wait, I've got it. Come. Hi, everyone. Today we're going to make something for these yummy candies. Let's see. Yum! Delicious! This is the flavor.
No! Stop! Don't tell me! I don't want to know the rest of the flavors.
Oops, sorry, but they are so tasty.
I'll take the candies away to make sure you don't eat all of them. And you should start telling what you came up with. I mustn't look at them, or I'll guess all the flavors.
With those portraits, the candies will look like Simpsons characters themselves. That's why we'll place them into a house.
A house? What for?
Well, they'll live in there, like the real Simpsons, and come out for a walk quite randomly. So, Sam, are you going to help me?
Wow! Randomly! Just like I wanted to. Of course I will. What do I need to do?
Find an image of the Simpsons house. We need to have an example before our eyes.
Right! Will do.
First, let's cut out the walls of our house. Sam, did you find the image?
Yes, that was a very easy task.
Well done, Sammy. Now bring me several popsicle sticks.
A moment!
Okay, the house needs some windows and a door. First, I'll draw the door. And cut the door carefully. Then open it up. Next comes the windows to make it look just like the Simpsons house. These windows definitely need some color. It will be so pretty. Like any ordinary house, our house will have 4 walls.
And I did well again.
Great! Thanks, Sammy. Now we're going to make a very important part. It'll be something like an elevator that will take the Simpsons from the house to the front door. Look, this part is made of several smaller parts. We need to glue each of them to their places. Now we'll assemble the elevator cabin from these parts we've made. I'm applying little drops of glue to the edges like this. And then they go onto the base. I'll hold them to make sure they set. We'll enter 2 more small pieces right here. Then we'll pour some hot glue right into it. Guys, be very careful with hot glue. Now let's insert the skewer with several cardboard pieces on it like this. One of the walls is going to hold our elevator.
What a weird elevator. It looks more like...
A chimney.
Yes, a chimney.
It will be disguised like a chimney because the Simpsons don't have an elevator in their house.
That's right, they don't! Do you have an elevator in your house? Write in the comments.
This is the path for our elevator to move along. Let's glue our elevator to make sure it's attached securely to our house. We'll also need some walls around it, then it won't move from its path or out of the house.
I'd love to ride an elevator in the park. It would be cool.
It's impossible, Sam. Elevators can only go up and down. I need your help again. Bring me a pen, please.
One moment. Sue asked me to bring a pen, but which one? Oh, this one's purple, this one's blue, this one's black, this one's a ball pen. I don't know. They're so different.
Sam, so many pens! I only asked for one.
I didn't know which one you needed, so I brought everything I found.
This one. But I'll need to open it, actually. There. We will only need its spring. Let's take the elevator out and put the spring on. Then back goes the elevator. Now it's time to glue 2 walls to our pretty house.
Whoa, it's a real elevator! They can use it to go down from the upper floor. But where are they going to live?
That's a good question. We'll make a room for them. This cardboard piece is just the right thing. I'll fold the edges in.
Huh. It doesn't look like a room, more like...
A slide. This looks more like a slide, which we'll use to go right into the elevator.
From the slide into the elevator? Well, I'd love to live like that. When I want to go for a walk, I'd go down the slide and then ride the elevator.
This wall goes inside our house. The elevator moves inside the house when we press the chimney. Our house will also need the floor. There it goes. And now the last wall. Let's apply some glue and set it right here. Perfect. All the walls are in place. It's time for the roof.
Do you remember how we made the Skittles machine? This house also dispenses candy, but it looks much more awesome! Give a thumbs up if you like it too. Ah! There's a hole in the roof! Some rubbish might get inside!
Calm down, Sammy. Don't worry. We'll cover it with a window, and our candies, we'll use it to get inside. There goes a little plastic window. I've already colored the roof to make it just like the one on the Simpsons house. We only need to set it in place. The house is ready!
Wow, what a beautiful house. I'd love to live in it, especially together with the candies. I think that candies are the best neighbors in the world.
Sammy, if it was like you wanted, then everyone would be candies. Even me. Speaking of candies, bring in the ball.
Yay! Here, Susie.
Thanks, Sammy. Now our Simpsons can move into the house. I'll put them in through this window.
Why didn't you tell me that you started? I'd have turned away. Now I'll know the order you put them in.
No, you won't. They're in a pile in there, and they'll come out in random order.
Yay! Then let them out for a walk.
Let's go!
It's working! Yum! It's donut flavor.
We already know who loves donuts. It's Homer.
Press! Come on, press it! I haven't tried this one. It's blueberry flavored!
It's the favorite flavor of Marge.
It's my turn to press. And you will eat it!
Bubblegum?
Bubblegum! It's Bart's favorite. By the way, guys, you remember how we made an animation machine? We animated a cool cartoon with Bart. Give a thumbs up if you've seen that video and go watch it if you haven't.
Give a thumbs up if you like the house we've made. And write in the comments what you think about it. And if you want more crafts like this.
Subscribe to the channel to see our new videos.
Bye-bye!